Welcome back, everyone. On this Tuesday, police canines are a crucial part of local police departments, and just last week Governor Baker signed a bill that will provide these well-trained dogs with more protection.
Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford stopped by a canine training event to learn more about Nero's Law.
Nearly a dozen canines and their handlers attended a training at the Westover Air Reserve Base in Chicopee Tuesday morning. These dogs from all across Western Mass practicing their tracking skills, which will be used in the field to find drugs, criminals, or missing people.
Canines are a tool like no other tool that we have.
Just a few years ago, Detective Andrew Bollier and his canine Gino were involved in an accident.
I was hit by a drunk driver a couple years ago in the line of duty with my canine partner.
Thankfully, they were okay, but if canine Gino had been hurt, it may have been hard to get him the help he needed.
I did not have a way to transport him or treat him at the scene if there had been something wrong with him. So the only option we had up until that point was to get another cruiser to the scene, put him in the back of a cruiser, and transport him ourselves to a veterinary services area.
But now things have changed. On February 15th, Governor Baker signed Nero's Law, which allows a law enforcement canine injured in the line of duty to be taken in an ambulance to a vet if there is not a human needing emergency transportation. The legislation was inspired by Canine Nero, the partner of Yarmouth Police Sergeant Sean Gannon, who was killed in the line of duty. Nero suffered life-threatening injuries in that attack and could not travel by EMS.
They're in just as much of risk of danger as we are. They're our partners. They're with us 24 hours a day.
Detective Bollier tells Western Mass News he considers Gino his partner, an equal on the force.
The amount of money that is, and time really, that's placed into that dog is you can't get that back.
He says that's why legislation like this is extremely important.
We're just extremely glad that we now have that added protection for our dogs. It's always something that's in the back of our mind if something happens to our partner, you know, how we can help them and treat them and transport them. And now we have that ability with this law.
Reporting in Chicopee, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.